So once you've finished stitching your earrings, I'm going to show you how to make your earrings into actual earrings. So first thing you want to do is you want to flip over and remove any of your loose threads and any other little bits of thread that you don't want on your finished piece. Just basically give them a little bit of a tidy and a little bit of a haircut if they need it. So I think that's fine. Now you want to attach the earring findings before you attach the felt backing. Now for the earrings you don't actually need to use the felt backing, so if you like the look of them how they are, you don't actually have to attach the felt backing. But we'll attach our earring findings first. So first thing we need to do is grab one of our jump rings. So that's these little rings here, and you'll see they have a little cut section here. So what you need to do is grab both sides of your jump ring and pull and push in opposite directions until it opens, just like that. Once it's open, you can slip it through the hole that's provided for making your earrings. And then once it's on there, you just grab your earring hook and you put it on, making sure it's facing the direction you want it to hang. So you need the hook facing backwards and then the kiwi in this case facing forwards. Once it's on there, you will just do the same thing by pushing and pulling your jump ring. It'll be a bit fiddly. Just make sure that earring hook is on there nicely, and then you will push and pull your jump ring until it closes. Like so. Once it's nice and closed, you have your finished earring. And then you'll just do the same with the second one, and you will push and pull your jump ring until it opens. Put it on your wood base, and once it's on there, grab your earring hook, put that over the hook like that, and then push and pull these until the jump ring closes. And then you have two finished earrings. Once you've got your earrings, you can use the felt to back them. So to do this, what I do is I turn over the felt, I grab my earring, put it on the felt, and I grab a pen and I trace around the earring onto the felt. And this is the paper backing of the felt that's going to be removed. And once I've done that, I'll do the same for the other one. Now, I find it's easier to just do a rough outline around the piece and just cut the shape generally to the shape, because I like to cut mine once it's actually stuck on the back. So you don't want to use good scissors for this, so use ones that you don't mind getting a bit wrecked, because they will get a bit sticky from the adhesive backed felt. So then I just cut around the shape roughly. I try to cut a little bit inside the line. And once I have the shapes cut out, what I will do is I will grab my earring and I will pull the adhesive backing off the back of this felt. And I've grabbed the wrong earring and grabbed this earring, and then I will stick the adhesive backing onto the back of the earring, and then it's not going to be perfectly aligned. So what I like to do is then go around with my scissors and trim off the excess. Now, once you're finished backing your earrings, you can obviously now wear them. And if you wanted to gift them, included in with your earring you should have one of the little backing cards that will be slightly different depending on which bird you've got. And on the back of here, if you want to gift it, you can write who stitched it and when it was stitched. That can be a nice way to gift it or just for your records to keep it for later. Now, then you can put your earrings on your earring card. And then you have your little earring backs to hold them in place. And then you're all done. You've got your cute pair of cross-stitched kiwi earrings or whichever design you've got.